Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. By far, the biggest objection I hear from clients who avoid social media is that they don't know what content to create. It can be super overwhelming to not only select a photo or video to share, but also write a caption that is both interesting and engaging. Maybe you can relate? The best way to avoid overwhelm, in my experience, is to have a rock-solid content plan in place. The first step I always recommend is to establish your content pillars, also sometimes called branding pillars. Basically, these are aspects of your life and business that you use to communicate what your brand is all about. In other words, the content pillars are categories of content that give your audience and potential clients an idea of what it would be like to know and work with you. There are so many benefits to intentionally establishing content pillars. They create a framework for your content that helps you to stay on brand. They take out the guesswork when it's time to post something because you have a few themes to choose from. From the perspective of your audience, content pillars also give your online presence a sense of structure. People can learn what to expect from you, and your content is far less likely to seem scattered. Not only does this encourage people to follow you, but it also builds know, like, and trust with potential clients, and establishing your pillars is easy and fun. Let me give you a step-by-step to get you going. The first thing you'll want to do is make a list of all the things that are big parts of your life. It's actually very helpful if you've already answered the personal branding questions from episode number 5, so that you already have a conscious idea of what you're known for or want to be known for. Then, once you have your list compiled, review it and see what themes or categories stand out. You want to have between 3 and 5 content pillars that will help you to categorize your content. For example, when I was an agent, my own pillars were real estate, plant-based food and nutrition, personal development, and fitness. Finally, once you have selected your 3 to 5 pillars, write them across the top of a new page. Then, list as many content ideas as you can under each heading, keeping in mind what you want as your personal brand and also who you want to attract as clients. But remember, the power of a personal brand is that it's personal. Authenticity is definitely the way to go. Once you have completed these 3 steps, you will have a bank of content ideas to choose from. You can also think about how frequently you want to touch on each pillar. For example, do you want your content to be 50% real estate? Or do you connect better with people when talking about one of your hobbies? If it's the latter, you might want to consider making the hobby 25%, real estate 25%, breaking it up according to what you want predominantly shown on your account. The beauty of personal branding is that it's all up to you. If you would like help developing your content pillars and applying them to a structured social media plan, schedule a free 15-minute one-on-one with me. Let's get your personal brand going today. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.